In today's video, I'm going to teach you Freeletics Honest Review. Is it worth it? 2025 Guide. If you're weighing a digital fitness coach, you want to know what genuinely works and what to watch for. Freeletics is a popular training app that uses adaptive plans to guide body weight and minimal equipment workouts. Here's a clear, practical look at its real strengths and the most common downsides so you can decide confidently. Let's start with what people like. Personalization stands out. The app asks about your level and goals, then adapts difficulty as you progress. Sessions usually feel tough but doable, which is exactly where you want to be to improve without burning out. Consistency also pays off here. Users who stick with programs for 8 to 12 weeks or more often report meaningful gains, stronger muscles, better endurance, and noticeable changes in body composition, especially when paired with steady sleep and nutrition. The built-in community can be surprisingly motivating. Seeing others log workouts, share milestones, and stay accountable can help you keep going on days when motivation dips, and the flexibility is a real win. Because most workouts use body weight or a couple of simple tools, you can train at home, outside, or while traveling without rearranging your entire day. Now, the important caveats. The subscription model is a frequent pain point. Auto renewals can catch people off guard, and refunds after renewal are often declined. To avoid surprises, read the billing terms closely. Consider turning off auto renew ahead of time and set a calendar reminder before your renewal date. The free tier is also very limited. The features that make the app worthwhile, especially the AI-powered coaching, sit behind the paywall. So plan on subscribing if you want the full experience. Variety can taper off over time. Some long-term users find the programming repetitive. You can refresh things by adjusting your goals or mixing in your own sessions, but understand that novelty won't be endless. Customer support is another weak spot. Responses may be slow or unhelpful, particularly for billing questions, which makes those renewal precautions even more important. Finally, there's no real-time coaching feedback. You get videos and timers, but not live form correction. If you're new to training, invest a little extra care in learning technique. Use a mirror, record short clips to check alignment, or get a quick form review from a professional. Bottom line, Freeletics can be an effective, flexible training companion if you value structured guidance and you're consistent. Go in with clear goals, realistic expectations about billing and support, and a plan to monitor your technique, and it can deliver strong results.